bigger checks coming to Social Security recipients right now as a result of a rule change. You're not going to want to miss this. Take a look. Social Security payments are increasing for some recipients. Social Security is changing SSI forever. Millions of Americans will benefit, and you may get a boost in SSI benefits this year. What to know? So I'm going to let you know what this big boost is, how much it'll be, what you can expect in terms of your Social Security check, and I'll give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. So Social Security is changing SSI forever. Millions of Americans will benefit. Bold claim, but what is this all about? Also, another one here, you may get a boost in SSI benefits this year. What to know? So the Social Security Administration announced a final rule that comes with changes to the Supplemental Security Income Program, including qualifying more people. So what is this increase all about? Let me give you all the details, let you know what's going on, what you can expect with your Social Security increase. So, Social Security Administration changes rules on rental food assistance to expand access to low-income households, for low-income households. So, SSI benefits have not been updated in years, and several rule changes to take effect in September are aimed at improving access to benefits and increase payment amounts. Just to say that again, improving access to benefits and increase payment amounts. So let me get into the details here. The SSA is set to implement new rules to make it easier for beneficiaries to access certain benefits and increases the payments some may receive. The new changes affect SSI, which provides more than 7 million Americans with monthly benefits. Those benefits are for seniors ages 65 and up, or adults and children who are disabled or blind and who have little or no income or resources. What's said here is we already know that the benefit amounts that are available to people receiving SSI are incredibly low. This is coming from the National Disability Institute and saying that they're not as high as perhaps they could be to fully account for the needs that people have. The maximum federal monthly SSI is currently $943 per eligible individual, $1,415 for an eligible individual and eligible spouse. And the changes, excuse me, which are slated to go into effect September 30th, are a positive move in the right direction. So, updates to definition of public assistance household. The agency on Thursday announced a new rule to expand the definition of public assistance household. Now, households that receive Supplemental Nutritional Assistance Program, or SNAP, payments and those where not all members receive public assistance will be included. With the change, more people may qualify for SSI, current beneficiaries may see higher payments, and individuals who live in public assistance households may have fewer reporting requirements according to the Social Security Administration. The previous policy required all household members to receive public assistance. A public assistance household will be defined as one with both an SSI applicant or beneficiary, as well as at least one other member who receives one more forms of means-tested public income maintenance payments. So what's said here from the Commissioner, Martin O'Malley, by simplifying our policies and including an additional program geared towards low-income families, such as the SNAP, we are removing significant barriers to accessing SSI. These programs, these changes promote greater equity in our programs. Almost 304,000 of SSI's total 7.5 million beneficiaries were living in public assistance households as of January 2023. The implementation of the rule may allow approximately 277,000 federal SSI recipients, about 4% of overall beneficiaries, to receive an increase in monthly payments as of fiscal year 2033. An additional 109,000 individuals, a 1% increase, may be eligible for SSI payments who would not otherwise have been under current rules. So, looks like there's some increased payments there. The definition of a public assistance household has not been updated in a very long time. And yeah, so I say what one person says is, I would characterize this as just good policy and common sense changes to update this definition. SNAP is the first public income maintenance benefit to be added to the public assistance household definition since 1980, according to Social Security Administration. So looks like since O'Malley has been the new commissioner, there's been some few big positive changes. Other rule changes help beneficiaries. So the SSA is also working to address outdated practices through 2 other rules that are set to go into effect September 30th. One change will expand SSI rental subsidy policy to make it less likely that renting a discounted rate or other rental assistance will affect a beneficiary's SSI eligibility or monthly payment amount. That policy, which was already available in 7 states, will apply nationally. Another change will make it so the SSA no longer counts food assistance toward beneficiaries receive from other parties that may reduce their SSI benefit amounts. The SSA keeps track of the resources SSI beneficiaries receive outside of their federal benefits, formerly known as in-kind support and maintenance. The purpose of support and maintenance, or ISM, is to reduce SSI benefits if a recipient receives support from a family by treating that as unearned income. That support can reduce an individual's monthly benefit as much as 1/3. And because the SSA keeps track of that support every month, it's a lot for the agency to monitor. When the changes go into effect this fall, SSI beneficiaries should notice they have less paperwork to fill out, receive more accurate monthly payments, and are faced with fewer administrative burdens. So looks like it's a few good wins there for SSI. Let me know if you're on SSI. Is this going to help you for the long term? Let me know down in the comments below what you think about these new changes coming from the SSA. Are you happy with the new SSA changes from Martin O'Malley so far? Let me know down in the comments below. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully cheer you up a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Bye. And hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. That's just my sister clip, but now we're doing my clip. So what I'm talking about now is to you, like when someone's hurt, you should definitely help them, because that if it's like really bad, then you should actually help them. Like I helped a couple of my friends and they loved it. So that's what I want to say for today. Bye. Bye.
Speaking of big changes coming from the SSA, Martin O'Malley, Commissioner of the SSA, has another big announcement talking about the funds for Social Security. You're not going to want to miss this. Take a look at this video right over here, and it goes more into detail, giving a big public service announcement to Social Security recipients. So click that video now, and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.